So I just got done with a bridal shower and I thought we would do a little self-care shopping starting at TJ Maxx, where I like to get my makeup wipes. Probably go to Target and Sephora a different day.
Bring me a little water, Sylvie.
Got some new ones. Do they not have the glaze? They're out of the one I wanted though. We also hit up Victoria's Secret for some spring stuff. They ended up having the sugar glazed plum lip oil by Gisou in the checkout. They're all sold out in the main spot. Body wash and deodorant. Yep, that is my little Sephora haul. We're gonna go spring shopping at the Mall of America for some new spring fits, and this is got the jelly cat on there. Got some boots. We just went and got some food, and now let's go. I ended up getting this cute dress from Hollister. It has like an open back, and then I got like, it's hard to hold it, I'll try it on for you, this cute sweater from Garage. Today I'm gonna get a free hydrofacial and a free Botox that came complimentary with my surgery here at Rochefort Plastic Surgery. I will update you guys afterwards, and I'll probably make an appointment for lip filler this summer. Never had it, but I have a wedding in June, so maybe. And I get $50 off of something else because there's a referral or something. So I gotta pick something. I look a little crazy right now, but this is how I look after getting injected. It's supposed to kick in like 2 to 4 days, I think she said. I just did my makeup for a YouTube short. And now I'm gonna wrap up this video by doing some spring cleaning. I cleaned up the little area over here a little bit, but we gotta clean up this bed because it's not doing so good. I'm watching an Alex Earl video. Yep. And this is how it looks afterwards. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content. And we'll see you next time. Peace.